Good morning everyone. My name is Raju Jayendra Taide. I am working as an assistant professor at Vinayak Vigyan Mahavidyalaya, Nandgaon, Khandeshwar. In this year, we will see many parts in our subject compulsory English. Many prose, many poetries, many communication skills and marking scheme. So, we will discuss all these things in our syllabus. Next please. So in this very first unit, that is prose section, we are having 4 chapters and the name of those chapters are, the very first amongst it is Travel by Trade by J.B. Priestley. The second chapter is Two Gentlemen of Verona, which is very famous short story by H.G. Clooney. The third chapter from our syllabus is Go, Kiss the World by Subrata Banerjee. And the fourth chapter from our syllabus is The Struggle for an Education, Up from Slavery and Autobiography. And the author is Booker T. Washington. Next please. After that, we are having second unit, that is poetry. In this poetry section, we are having 4 poems. And the very first amongst it is Where the Mind is Without Fear. And the author or the poet of this poem is Rabindranath Tagore. And you know Rabindranath Tagore very well. He is an Indian poet who received Nobel Prize for his collection Gitanjali in the year 1930. The second poem is by the famous American poet Robert Frost. And the name of that poem is Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening. It is also a very famous poem. The third poem from our syllabus is Leisure and the poet is W.H. Davis. The fourth poem from our syllabus is The Daffodils, and you know who is the poet of Daffodils? William Wordsworth. So in this way, these 4 poems are prescribed in your syllabus. The third unit from our syllabus is Communication Skills. Next please. Sir, next please. So, the book prescribed for your syllabus is Synergy, and the full name of this book is Communication in English and Study Skills, and it is edited by Orient Black Swan Publication. Following are the chapters regarding communication skills, and the name of those chapters are, first one is An Introduction to Communication. The second chapter from your communication skill book is Notice, Agendas and Minutes. And the third chapter and last chapter from your syllabus is Presentation. After that, we have to see distribution of marks. In this distribution of marks, the theory part, you have to answer 4 questions. And the 4 questions are related to your syllabus only. The first question belonging to your syllabus is based on unit number 1, that is prose section. And in this section, you have to answer 3 questions out of 4. And each question is having the weightage of 4 marks. That means the complete question number 1 is having the weightage of 12 marks. After that, in the unit number 2, that is based on poetry section, we have to answer 3 questions out of 4. And each question carries 4 marks weightage. So in this way, the question number 2 will be having 12 mark weightage. The third question will be based on communication skills. And the book prescribed for your syllabus is Synergy. Don't forget it. In this question, you have to answer 2 questions and out of 3. And each question is having the weightage of 4 marks. So in this way, 2 into 4 is equal to 8 marks. So unit number 3, that is question number 3, is having weightage of 8 marks. In the fourth question, you have to answer 8 multiple choice questions. So these are very easy marks. If you study well and hard, you can achieve out of marks in this question. And there are 8 questions. There will be 8 questions in your paper, and you have to answer all of them. And if you answer them correctly, you can achieve out of marks. After that, this is theory part. There is internal assessment also in your BCom Part-2 syllabus. So it will be consisting of 10 marks, and in those internal assessment you have to go through 2 tests. One is home assignment and second one is unit test. If you complete your assignments quite nicely and all the assignments you have submitted, then you will get 5 full marks. And if you score very good marks, that is out of or less 2 out of, then you will get 5 marks for unit test also. So in this way you can score 10 marks in your internal assessment. So this is our mark distribution. So once again we will repeat what we have seen earlier. Unit number 1, that is prose. There are 4 prose prescribed in your syllabus. Unit number 2 belongs to poetry. There are 4 poems prescribed in your syllabus. Third part is of communication skills. You have 3 parts prescribed in your syllabus and the marking scheme. In the marking scheme we have seen theory part and internal assessment part. So in this way we have seen all the topics related to your syllabus. This was an introductory part of our syllabus. So I hope you have understood all the things and enjoyed also. So in this way, throughout the year we will have different kind of prose and poetry. I will present the lectures such like this. And I hope you are doing very good at house and you are keeping yourself safe and stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye. Thank you.